morning dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home, and these days especially you are enjoying your online live classes. So for computer I am sending you this video. Okay, so in our computer class we'll learn chapter number 4. So begin our computer class. I'll start with a prayer song, and you know that song very well. Okay, shall I start? Okay. Father, we thank thee for the night, for the pleasant morning light, for rest and peace and loving care, and for makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good. In all we do, in all we say, to grow more loving every day, to grow more loving every day. Father, we thank thee for the night, for the pleasant morning light, for rest and peace and loving care, and for makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good. In all we do, in all we say, to grow more loving every day, to grow more loving every day. Thank you. These days I am really enjoying online live classes. So I can watch how you are sitting properly and how excited you are also to watching your ma'am, and ma'am is very happy to see you all. Okay, so be attentive in your classroom. Okay, those who are still not joining online live classes, please join as soon as possible. Okay, so now today we'll start new chapter in our computer. Chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Parts of a Computer. The name of our chapter is Parts of a Computer. So, you have system at home or not? Maybe you don't, maybe some students have and some are not, so no problem. Today, I'll teach you about all the parts of computer. How many parts of a computer? So everyone, please open page number 23 from your computer book, icon 7. This is your book. So everyone, please open page number 23. Page number 23 from your book, and chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Parts of a Computer. Okay, so I'm just draw all the parts here. After that I'll show you also physical. I'll show you all the parts of computer. Okay, so now what is the name of the chapter? Parts of a Computer. So first part is monitor. So monitor is look like something this kind of. It's our monitor. So monitor is look like a TV also, television. So on monitor, what is the use of monitor? We can watch everything. So this is our monitor. We can watch movies on monitor. This is a screen of computer, na? So in monitor we can watch everything. Where whatever we are typing, we watch on our monitor. So this is our monitor. So whenever we are turn on our computer, this types of some icons are there, na? Whatever we have downloaded file or save our file, so these kinds of icons we can see in our monitor, okay, computer screen. So this is a monitor, and next is CPU. CPU is like this. It is rectangular in shape. CPU is rectangular in shape, and we can put CD also inside this. This is a CPU. CPU is a brain of computer. CPU is what? Brain of computer, and this is a button. That in our practical, I'll show you now. First of all, we have to turn on this. After turn on main switch. After that, we have to turn this button. This is a button. So CPU. This is what? CPU. CPU is a brain of computer. This is CPU. Okay. This is monitor. This is CPU. These are the parts of our computer. So next part is keyboard. K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-D, board. Keyboard. Have you seen keyboard before? I think I have. I'll show you. Now I have showed you before. Whenever we are doing the practical, that time I am show you. I'll already shown you na keyboard. So what is written on the keyboard? Anybody remember what is written on keyboard? What is written on keyboard? Yes, alphabets and numbers are written on keyboard. All the alphabets and numbers written on keyboard, and some special keys are also there. Some symbols are there na. So some numbers and like this. Some numbers and some alphabets are written on keyboards. So we can easily type our letters. Letters and numbers are written on keyboards. And the next is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. When we heard the sound mouse, so mouse are always moving around somewhere, na? Rats. Did you like rats? Mouse? No, na? I also don't like. So mouse, but this is I'm talking about computer mouse. I'm talking about computer mouse. So this is a mouse, and mouse has a long tail. So this is what? Mouse. With the help of mouse, we can draw pictures on computer. We can paint with the help of mouse. We can paint. Okay. So, and the next one is printer. Next one is what? Printer. And printer is for what? Whatever we have print. So whatever we want to print out, so it's come out. This is a printer. Whatever we need, we just print it out. So I know that this is not a good printer. I am not drawn a good printer. So printer, whatever. If we want a coloring some cartoons, so you just told Papa, I need a picture of Donald Duck or Doraemon. So Papa just print it out and give it to you. Then you can color it na. So printed. So these are the parts of computer. Okay, these are the parts of computer. Now I'll show you the parts of computer. Now I'll show you all the parts of computer. See, this is monitor, screen of computer. This is monitor and this is keyboard. Just look at the keyboard. Numbers are written here, alphabets are here, some special keys are here. Okay, so this is keyboard and this is a mouse. This is mouse. This is a mouse. This is mouse and this is CPU. This is CPU. This is CPU. Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. All are the parts of computer. So now we'll read chapter 4. Okay. Now we'll read chapter number 4. Parts of a computer. As we have different parts in our body. We have different parts in our body now. A computer also has many parts. I'll show you. I already shown you now the parts of computer. All these parts work together to do any work in a computer. Parts of a computer. Monitor, keyboard, CPU, printer, mouse. Now monitor. Now we'll read about monitor. A monitor look like a television, like you have LCD or TV at home. So this is look like a TV screen now. So monitor is look like a television. We can see movies and cartoons on the monitor. What we can see on monitor? We can see movies and cartoons on the monitor. It shows us the work done on the computer. Yes, it shows us the work done on the computer, whatever we are doing on computer. So at the last, our monitor, our screen shows us that our work is already done. Now this is CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. A CPU is the brain of a computer. CPU is a brain of computer. Yes, you also have a brain now. So same like computer also have brain, and computer's brain is who? CPU. CPU is computer's brain. Okay, it look like a box. Look at this box, and I'll shown you also now this box. So CPU is look like a box. It helps a computer to think and work. CPU help a computer to think and work, like your brain also help you na to think and work. So same like in computer also. Next page, page number 24. This is the activity, and you have to do this activity on your book. Okay, in your book. Join the dots and color the picture. This is a picture of CPU. Let us color the picture of CPU. Okay, you have to Color this picture and write your name. Okay. Next is keyboard. This is what? This is a keyboard. This is a keyboard. This is a keyboard. You must have seen a mobile, a Casio, or a calculator. On mobile also you have seen the keys. On Casio also you have seen these keys, and on calculator also. Okay. So, do you find anything common in them? Yes. What is common in them? Mobile, Casio, calculator. Keys. Keys are common. Look at the mobile. There are keys. Casio with keys. Calculator with keys. Okay. Yes. All of them have a keypad with many keys. Each key has a different function. All the keys have different function. In the same way, a computer too has a keyboard with many keys. These keys are used to type letters, words, or numbers. We can use the keyboard for what? To type letters, words, or numbers. Now, page number 25. My activity. Color the alphabet keys that spell your principal's name with sky blue color. This is a keyboard and this is your activity. You have to color the key with sky blue color. You have to write the name of your principal. My principal name is, do you know who is your principal and what is the name of your principal? Sister Sneha. Okay. What is the name of our principal? Sister Sneha. So, you have to just write down Sneha. Okay. You have to color here. Write here Sister Sneha and color the key of Sister Sneha with sky blue color. This is your homework. Okay. Now come to B part. B part is what? Color the alphabet keys that spell your computer teacher's name with yellow color. So, do you know who is your computer teacher? Your computer teacher is Manisha. So, write here my teacher's name is Manisha and find out the keys from the keyboard and color yellow color. Okay. Now, page number 26. We learn about mouse now. This is mouse. Mouse. This is a computer mouse. It looks like a real mouse. It has 2 or 3 buttons. 1, 2 and 3 buttons. It helps us to draw pictures, point at things on the monitor and play games. We use mouse for what? Drawing the pictures and point the things on the monitor and play games. And this is printer. This is what? Printer. A printer is used to take a printout on paper. It used to take printout on paper. So, this is the chapter. So, today we learn about the parts of computer. In our next video, we'll just do our book exercise together and some activity also. I hope you understood the chapter well. Bye bye. See you.